Hey guys, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. If you are new, welcome aboard, and if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. If you like wig tutorials and if you love to see how units look before purchasing, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video, and stay tuned for the rest of this video so you guys can hear my thoughts and opinion on this curly unit. How are you guys feeling today? It's the summer, it's hot, and there ain't really much to do unless you live near the beach. So I hope you guys are still staying safe out there and finding some activities to keep you sane. The restaurants are back open here in Jersey, so you know, we can eat outside, we can go to the beach, but I think that's pretty much it. Oh yeah, the malls are open too, so yeah, that's pretty much it. Let me know in the comments below what you guys have been doing and what's opened back up in your city. But today we are reviewing another Bobbi Boss unit. It is Bobbi Boss Lace Front Truly Me. Easy everyday wear, ready to wear, natural lace front, hand-tied lace part wig, effortless style, true ease, in the style Bianca in the color 1B. And this is what the card looks like. And I guess they have 4 other units from the Truly Me collection, and this is what these units look like. So I got this unit on Wig Types. It ranges on their website, I want to say around $30. Honestly, you guys, I cannot remember, and this unit is no longer available on their website. I'm not sure what's going on. I do know that when I was looking to get this unit, it was almost sold out. But usually when they're sold out on units, like the entire information of the unit doesn't go away. It just says sold out until they restock. But I don't see it on there anymore. So if you are looking to purchase this unit, I will just list the Google link below. But you can also just type in Bobbi Boss Bianca and other places that have it. It should pop up. So yes, the unit does range in a $30 price range. It is a super easy unit. It's a lace front. It doesn't have the 13x6 or anything like that. No free parting. It has the middle part right here. And it was literally a plop and go. That's all I did. I cut the lace. I put a little bit of my powder on underneath the lace. And then I went on top with more powder in the middle. And it literally just blended in seamlessly. So I originally had my edges tucked in, so I did go through with my comb and I just pulled them out just a little bit. So the unit on me is air to air. It does come down, and the cap size is big hip friendly. It does have 2 combs in the front, 1 comb in the back, adjustable straps back there as well. And I have my setting on the tightest, so it definitely is big hip friendly. Sometimes Bobbi Boss's units are a little tight on people. In the past, I have seen other reviews that people were saying that some of their cap sizes are small, so this one is definitely big hip friendly. And the curl pattern is just very fun and young. I love it. Keep in mind that it is a synthetic unit, so you know, because it's curly, it will tangle and mat back here, and you know, it might not last as long, so just keep that in mind as well. And I'm going to give you guys a 360. So honestly, you guys, that's pretty much it. This was a super quick and fast video. I did trim the ends just a tad because they were a little too long, but I like this. It's giving me, you know, some natural 3 A and B textured hair. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. But before we go, I do want to highlight a Black business. My mother wrote a children's book. It is available for purchase on Amazon, and it talks about a little girl and her brother taking a closet adventure into the African safari. So if you have any kids, or if you know anyone that does, that's looking for some Black-owned authors, I will leave the link to that listed below. Make sure you guys give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. Hit that notification bell so you get reminders every time I post a video. Leave some comments below. I love to engage. Let me know your thoughts. And I will see you guys next time.